Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set passwords for apps on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So, the first thing that we need to do is download an app because there is actually no way to do that on the device itself. We're gonna use the third-party app, so let's tap App Lock, and then we can download, for instance, the first one over here. Now, the app is free, however, it has quite a bit of ads, so at least there's something, right? Let's wait a couple of seconds to let the app be downloaded. Once the installation is done, press open. Now we will need to draw an unlock pattern, so this one will be used for this app specifically, as well as for those that will be locked behind this app. So let's say I'm gonna draw this easy pattern like this, and then one more time, and there we go. Now over here we have the privacy policy and user agreement, so agree and start. We don't need to agree to notifications. Now over here, we will see the apps that we can lock. However, before we do that, let's go to security. And over here, let's permit usage access. Over here, select app lock. And then allow display over other apps. Let's permit that. Select app lock. And there we go. Now if we go back, we can select the app that we want to lock. So let's say I'm gonna choose TikTok. If I tap on the lock, then it should be working. So now if I go back and try to open TikTok, I will need to draw the pattern. So this is the one that I used, of course. And let's see if it works. Let's actually go back, and there we go. Yeah, so it works. Let me give it another try. Let's actually close everything. Open TikTok. And yeah, it's still open because I assume it's because I unlocked it before. So this is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.